Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. Is where it's supposed to be. And I know I created it and make no mistakes on me. My feet, my thighs, my lips, my eyes, I'm loving what I see. From your video, and I ain't feel like a supermodel. But I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. And I'm the average girl from your video. Don't wear pantyhose. My mama said a lady ain't what she wears but what she knows. But I've drawn the conclusion it's all an illusion. Confusion's the name of the game. A misconception, a mass deception. Something's
hello, you guys. CimplyCeCe here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, hey, how you doing? And thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey boo, hey, how are you doing? Thank you guys for coming back and hanging out with me and watching my videos. But if you are new and this is your first time clicking on my video, my name is CimplyCeCe, and here on my channel I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm also currently on my sister-like journey, if that is one of the reasons why you're clicking on this 6-month update, you guys. So if you're interested in any of those things, you like me, you enjoy yourself, please be sure to subscribe. Please be sure to like the video if you do enjoy. Please be sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any time that I upload, because I'm trying to get it in. I'm trying to get it in. Anyway, I'm trying to get better on my schedule is what I'm trying to say. So be sure to hit that notification bell, because I honestly can't tell you when to come back right now, because when I say that and I fail bad. So just hit the notification bell, then you won't miss any, and there won't be any surprise videos that you haven't seen. Yes, and just join me here on my channel as my family. I would love to have you. I need you. We are on our way to 500, you guys. I can't believe it. And with your help, it's all because of you guys. You know, like, y'all support is amazing. So I love you guys so much for that. And let's jump into this Sisterlock update video, because we're not about to be on here for 30 minutes. I promise you that. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check out my last video. It's up here somewhere. Check it out. Hey, you guys. CimplyCeCe here, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. This is my 6-month retie update. I can't believe it's already been 6 months. It just seems like it is flying by. But don't worry, this one won't be like the last one. Well, at least I hope it won't. I don't think so. I didn't have no emotional moments at all with this one. I think I've already lived through all of those. But with this retie, I actually got it done today. So I usually have to do it the next day, because I usually get them retied kind of late. But I got my hair retied today. Right now it is almost 7:05 p.m. and I got my hair retied. My appointment was at 3:30 p.m. So it's just been, and she was done with me. I was on my way home about 5 p.m. So anyway, I got my hair retied. I love it. It is doing the dang thing. Just looking all kind of itself-ish and beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, you guys. So this one's really quick and brief. The only updates I have, no slippage or anything. I think I'm literally past that. I have one little, where you at, baby? Here's my little baby right here in the front. This is the only one that I kind of worry about sometimes, but honey, since she been put back in, she been good. So that's my only one. The rest of them along the hairline are pretty long. They're longer than that. Only that one is like short like that. I keep saying it, y'all, because I'm gonna speak them into existence. My edges is coming in, honey. Like, y'all can still see my edges. Like, look, they still there. You can see them. I promise, like, y'all, it was a time that if I wasn't right in your face, I look straight up bald. And don't be coming like, I know it's thin, but look, y'all see edges. Okay, so that is wonderful. Again, I'm not using anything on them, just my rose water, purified water, and some gel on the edges, like lay them a little bit, but that is it. Like I said, I think I'm past the slippage point. I know they're not fully established, but I'm feeling like I am. I never can get comfortable, but hold on. Okay, I know they're not fully established, like I was saying, but like at the beginning, I used to have slippage, like where some would come all the way unraveled and things like that. So we ain't been having that problem. So that makes me excited. I am taking hair vitamins from Women's Best. I've mentioned that before, I believe. But if I haven't, I am. That's the only other thing I guess I could say that is helping me on my hair journey. They're vegan, and I will link them in the description down below if you're interested in checking out their website. But I found them because I also use them for my fitness side, for their protein, BCAA, and things like that. So, and I take their hair vitamin and their multivitamin, even though I be failing. But yeah, they're really good. Nothing, I ain't got nothing bad to say, you guys. We ain't gonna be 30 minutes this time around, but I am loving them. They look beautiful. Oh, and the update, because of the Sisterlocks shampoo crisis that I had, this time around when I braid and band it, I shampooed it with that same shampoo I used. I can't think of the name of it, but the shampoo I used to wash out all of the residue in my hair from the last time that I shampooed my hair. And if you're interested in that, because it's your first time, and I didn't even say hi. Hold up, y'all. So back to what I was saying, because I completely forgot to do an introduction, which is crazy. But anyway, I don't have much to say, you guys. No bad, nothing. But what I did with the shampoo, that's exactly where I was at. So what I did for the shampoo, I used the shampoo that I used to wash out the residue from last time. Check out the video if you don't know what I'm talking about. But if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. And I mixed a little bit of the Sisterlocks shampoo with that, and that's all I did. I don't really know if it helped. I don't know if it was counterproductive, because I feel like, and then somebody did comment on my last video that the Sisterlocks shampoo does have something in it that helps lock your hair up. So I was trying to still incorporate it, but I was like, just from that experience, I was really trying to make sure, like make sure I didn't, like not use it if it's helping. So after I did that, so far it felt good. I didn't have any weird residue going on. I rinsed it really, really well. And you guys can see up close, like the scalp and everything is looking really, really good. Like I always show that part because that was the side that had them crazy like flakes. You guys, it is getting longer. Like look at us. And if I stretch it, like look. Like, where did this hair come from? And it won't even really stand up anymore on top, because I used to be able to kind of have a little style where it stacks, but it's getting so long that it's just kind of falling over. But it's still cute. I'm okay with that, because now see, this is freshly retightened, and this is the way she retightened it. I just didn't even mess with it because it didn't need it. Like it looks beautiful. So that is it. I mixed the Sisterlocks shampoo. That's the only thing I did different. And I feel like I was okay with that. So I'm going to continue to do that. And then if I start to feel like I'm getting some weird buildup again, we'll deal with the situation. But now that I'm aware of what can happen, I can be a bit better. And I have to admit, I know that I was quite heavy-handed with the shampoo, because it just doesn't lather like regular shampoo to me. So I know I was a bit heavy-handed, but I know better now. And what I did notice, even though I mixed the Sisterlocks shampoo with regular shampoo, it seemed to make the shampoo not lather as much. So since I mixed the two, it felt like I was just using the Sisterlocks shampoo, if that makes sense. Because when I just used the shampoo by itself to shampoo out my Sisterlocks buildup residue, it lathered up like normal. And But this time when I mixed it, it didn't. So a part of me feels comforted by that, because it's had some suds, but not too much. But it's kind of like maybe it's a balance, so I can't accidentally put too much in my hair or something. So that is everything. I'm not going to be long-winded today. I'm trying to make sure I covered everything. If there's anything you guys are interested in, somebody asked me about rotation. I always forget to ask my lady. So if you're interested in what rotation she uses on my hair, I'll have to ask her, because I keep forgetting. Like, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. It's not important to me. I didn't even know it was a rotation. That's how much I don't know about Sisterlocks. But anywho, I think that's everything. If there's any questions you guys have, any helpful tips that you guys have, because a lot of you guys' comment about the shampoo was really, really helpful. So thank you guys so much. It was so many of y'all. I can't even list you all, but they really, like, I talked back and forth with a couple of you guys about what you guys did who had bad experiences. I talked to people who used the Sisterlock shampoo and didn't have any bad experience. One, a subscriber, well, I don't know if she's a subscriber, I shouldn't say that, but I'm hoping she is. But she had commented and said that she uses like the tea tree shampoo. Now, I did see that at my my lady's where I get my hair done. She has it as well. Of course, I can buy it from her, but the lady, the beautiful young lady that commented about the tea tree shampoo also said, if I'm remembering correctly, that hers are already fully established. So she didn't kind of know if that was going to be something I could do, since I'm only 6 months in. When I talked to my lady, she said I should just stick to using starter shampoo until mine get fully established. So that is my update, you guys. I don't have anything else to say. I'm not gonna keep y'all tonight, even though I really want to keep y'all, but I don't have nothing to say. I'm loving this journey. I'm sorry, I have this lip plumping gloss on and it's making my lips feel funny. That's why I keep wiping them. But I'm enjoying this journey, you guys. As always, like I said last time, I'm feeling beautiful. I am feeling just wonderful. I love them so much. I love them when they're freshly retightened. I love them when they need a retight. I just love them. They're great for my lifestyle. They're great for my confidence. They're great for my hair. I feel like my hair loves being like this versus any other way I've worn it. I think my hair favors this the most, and I do too. And it's perfect for my fitness journey that I'm on, because honey, we can get in the gym and we can sweat it out. And I still look cute when I leave. Okay. So I love them. I love you guys. Thank you guys for joining me here. I'm sorry it's not long-winded. I feel like I should tell y'all something else, but ain't nothing to say. I'm happy. I love them. You know, so you guys, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay close to God. And remember, God loves you. He cares for you. He doesn't want to treat you. He doesn't want to hurt you. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone. I can stop myself. Bye, y'all.